would stutter, because if you forget your speech, it will be very embarrassing. But if you remember your speech and you don't stutter, it will be just half embarrassing. That's why I think I would just stutter.
So if you forget your speech, it will be very embarrassing, and you didn't even say anything, and you just have to get down the stage. If you stutter, you still can at least finish your speech.
I would rather speak slow, because if I speak too fast, the timer, let's say I have to speak for a 5-minute speech. And if I practice that speech for 5 minutes, but if I go on stage and I speak very fast, I will only speak it for a minute or two. So, if I would rather prefer to speak slowly.
Speak very slow, because then other people can hear what I'm saying. If I speak very fast, they can't hear and they won't understand what I'm telling.
I'd rather have a noisy audience, because it will, like when you make a joke, the whole place will laugh, make more enthusiasm, and you'll make yourself more confident. The audience will also be happy. So I think I'd rather have a noisy audience.
Noisy audience. Then it won't be so quiet and won't be too embarrassing.
I'd rather be stung by 10 mosquitoes, because if you get stung by a bee, there'll be a very big possibility that you can get allergy from the bee sting. And by getting the allergy, you really have to go see a doctor. And if it's worse, you have to enter the hospital. So I think I'd rather get stung by 10 mosquitoes, as it will just get itchiness.
I think I would be rather stung by a bee, because not all the bees are poison and not all the bees will harm you, but mosquitoes will make your skin very itchy, and I don't like the feeling of that.